Creating a folder-like structure in Confluence can help you organize your content better, although Confluence does not use traditional folders. Instead, you can utilize pages and child pages to achieve a similar organizational effect. Here's how to create a folder structure in Confluence. Navigate to the space. Go to the Confluence space where you want to create your folder structure. Create a parent page. Click on the Create button at the top of the screen. Enter a title for your new parent page. This page will act as the folder for your related content. Add content. You can add content to this page, such as a description of what the folder contains. Create child pages. To add pages under your new parent page. While on the parent page, click the Create button again. Enter a title for the child page and ensure you are creating it as a child of the parent page by not selecting any other page. After creating the child page, it will automatically be nested under the parent page. Organize pages. Repeat the process to create additional child pages. You can also rearrange pages using the page tree view in the sidebar. Use page labels. Consider using labels to further organize and categorize your pages, making them easier to search for later.